interacting with you on this about this company which I joined 5 years back. It's called Neologic Engineers. We started this our journey with this company 5 years back, and I had made an introductory presentation last year about what Neologic is all about. Just for ready reference for everybody, we are an automation process solution provider company. We aspire to be bracketed in the top 3 companies in India in very short time. We started this journey 14 years back, 17 years back, and now we are entered our 18th years this year. Here I'll be introducing to the founders, 2 young men who founded this company in 2007. On left side is Mr. Gore and on right side is Mr. Mahajan. Both are from the industry with more than 3 decades of experience in the industry. Brief introduction about myself again. Who am I? My name is Deepak Mehta. I am a product of this reputed institute only. I graduated 42 years back, and then after working in the industry for 10-12 years, then I have moved to sales, and all through last 30 years I am into sales in various companies. I am giving you a compelling reason why you should choose Neologic. Because our top management, core management is all well experienced with more than 3 decades of experience in the industry, and most of their experience has been in the process industry and automation engineers industry like Alpha Level and Tata Pak. We have got 135 qualified engineers. They are looking after various aspects of the engineering in the company. We have got more than 200 installed base reputed customers, and we are present in more than 20 countries. And we on an average commission 50 plants every year, and we are growing at a healthy rate of more than 30-40% per annum with the cooperation of all our alumni. Today I will not talk much about the company. I will just cover what are the key technologies which we handle here as a part of our contribution to the industry. We are into aseptic solutions where we provide both sterilizer and as well as aseptic storage systems. We are into spirals, we are into IQF, and we also handle multi-fruit or fruit and vegetable processing. Just a glimpse about how what sterilizer module looks like. It's indirect heat exchanger backed by PLC-based controls in highly automated solutions. Purpose, of course, is like everybody is covering about microbiology. Its purpose is to destroy all organisms and make products safe and safe for everybody. How we do it? This is a technology which I think I'll just skip and go quickly. We can supply aseptic solution for both white milk, flavored milk, cream, buttermilk, lassi, milkshakes, soya milk, fruit juice, and concentrate applications. Features and benefit, I believe we can discuss one-to-one with the people who are interested in these technologies. I'll skip these slides and move to what are the benefits, because we are giving a solution which are having a wide range of application which require a long life solutions. We supply factory tested proven automated solutions so that we can reduce the commissioning site at the time during the execution. Also UST technology avoids the need of refrigeration because cold chain is not assured everywhere throughout the country, and still it is safer to consume untreated products. And it has got efficient independent CIP solutions. It is also, unlike the myth is that if we do ultra high treatment we lose nutrition, but the heat treatment is for a minimal time so that the nutrition is maintained because of gentle treatment, and it is supported with a tamper-proof packaging cell so that there is no post-packing contamination, there is no tampering of the packaging material, unlike a lot of duplicacy happens in non-aseptic products. And it is suitable for most of the dairy and dairy beverages. This is a P&I diagram. Again, it is more relevant to the people who are keen to look into these solutions. We can give a guaranteed performance which is matching with any international suppliers. The system is very operation friendly. We can run it through HMI, through big size PLCs controls. It's very operator friendly for the people who know how to run automated solutions, and it is backed by world class after AMC handling. where we can give the support, not physically, we can give support from the remote. We give 24 by 7, 365 days of support so that there is a minimum downtime to the end users. We also make sure that spares are available, and we also give customized training so that customer is happy, we are happy. Next part of the technology is a septic storage system, which is an extension of the sterilizer. It acts in between a sterilizer and a filling machine. We were one of the first Indian company to manufacture this septic storage solution in-house in India. Earlier it was being imported even by multinational companies. It is purpose is to have a quality product stored in a septic a septic system between processing and packaging. We make septic solutions suitable for both high acid as well as low acid products, means milk as well as juice and beverages. This is looking like a basic flow diagram how the septic storage system acts between filler and sterilizer. We role as well as flexibility of system is we provide variable free speed and various flow systems. We have got it suits the septic tank gives you flexibility to pack various product combination within the same line, and it avoids reheating of the product, which normally if you are doing only sterilization, it requires about 10% recirculation, which means loss of lot of reheating of energy as well as taste, which we can avoid by a septic solution, a septic storage system. And parallelly it gives you simultaneous filling and emptying of the product also from the sterilizer and from the filler. This is the construction. The septic storage system is supported by a wall cluster, automated wall cluster module, and a PLC based HMI based system. The technical benefits is, again, I think I am repeating this slide, it improves the product quality because we can avoid the recirculation. It also has got a magnetic agitator so that you don't have to put a top mounted agitator where the risk of contamination is there from the top. Again, I think I'll skip the technical part, features part, and I'll just try to tell you that the main components are all from the proven subsystem supplier or international makes like GIAT, Alpha Level, Denmark, and sterile filters are also there. Sterile pressure control also there from Burkett, Germany, Angle Seat Wall, all kind of reputed ENS make instruments are there. All bought out components are from the proven and reputed organizations only. This is how they look like, system components, how I think for the people who are interested, these are the components of the system. Third technology we are covering is a spiral. Its background is it is an advanced heating and cooling system application wise and freezing solution for food industry, food processing industry. And it has got wide range of application, be it ice cream, be it cheese, curd, it could be a recooling of packed tomato ketchup, it could be a cooling of the meat products, bakery industry. What is the objective and discussion on this? Conventionally we are using conditioning solution, means we are using linear tunnels, which are I think age-old technologies, where a typical linear tunnel occupies a typical 2 ton per hour linear tunnel occupies almost 65 to 70 meter square space, and it naturally such a bulky instrument equipment also requires a lot of power and energy. We are replacing this with spiral tunnels. What are the benefits? And because it adds profitability for our end consumers. It's a very compact solution. They were introduced in late 60s, and it has got various drive technology, direct drive as well as indirect drives. And the principal operation is, I think, we are using Intralocks direct drive system, which is self-stacking and structured supported. Benefits are, it is energy efficient, it requires very small footprints, it requires very low water consumption, it has got very low maintenance cost, and it is operationally cost efficient. And it is very flexible both in terms of layout, in orientation, both on inlet as well as outlet side. I am showing here the various combination which are possible in this spiral solution. You can say it could be 90 degree, it could be 180 degree, it could be U-shape. All permutation combinations are possible as per the layout. Areas of application is, it can be used as everybody knows it is as a freezers, it can be used as a refrigerator cooler, it could be used as ambient coolers, it could be used as a proofer, or air as water-based pasteurizer, indirect pasteurizer in packed condition, hot holders. And we have already established a number of spirals for fried products, bakery products, hot fill pulp, puree, baby foods, sauces, ketchups, curries, gravies, ready to eat items, batter cooling. People who use idli batters, it can be used for batter cooling also. Dairy products like paneer, cheese, ice cream, hard internal freezing, and meat, fish and poultry items, besides fruit and vegetable cooling and freezing. Here is a glimpse of some spiral in action, spiral pasteurizer, cooler with pouch drying system. Because if you do hot water or cooling or cold water cooling, then it requires a lot of water to be eliminated. So we integrate pouch drying section along with pasteurizer also. Spiral pasteurizer cooler for hot filled pasteurizer, again spiral water cooler for hot filled pouches. Spiral cooler for hot filled pouches, again typical ice cream hardeners or freezer ice cream for ice cream cones and bulk. We have supplied these spirals to Nestle, Hindustan Lever worldwide. This is a typical spiral ambient cooler for fried items. This is next technology is IQF or individual cook freezers, which is like a spiral. It is indirect or for bulk of the product. However, in IQF, we have got collaboration with Fenco. It's an Italian food engineering company, where we are basically cooling or freezing direct products, which are small granular kind of products like peas and corn. We can do IQF. IQF technology in neologic. Why IQF? IQF stands for individual quick freezing. This method is a unique ability as it freezes all the components individually by keeping them separate from each other. It's like basically vibro spray drying, fluidized spray drying. The difference between frozen and IQF is also indeed shown here in the picture. By fluidization and cold air circulation, we do IQF, freezing in combined products. What is the application? Application are green peas, sweet corn, strawberry, cherries, mango chunks, etc. etc. For dairy application, we do it for cheese and paneer. USP of IQF is its ultra hygienic construction, superior freezing efficiency, better efficiency, and possibility of continuously working out at long hours without defrosting. This is I am showing a demonstrator of IQF for paneer, diced paneer. We have already installed one IQF diced paneer in Banas in Amul. I will not go into features part. I will just like to give you that what is the IQF USP. It is ultra hygienic construction and execution. Entire machinery is in stainless steel 304 or 306. All manufactured parts are as per global manufacturing standards and UA compliance. Easily cleanable, that gives you hygienic as a freezing efficiency. Then we can do customization on IQF also. I'll just skip, and last part of my presentation is we also give solution for fruit and vegetables. Since we are presenting this into dairy forum, anybody is interested in fruit and vegetable processing, because we can give multi-fruit processing plants, which is very highly profitable business. And it gives you insulation from seasonal variation. We handle both tropical citrus fruits as candies and marmalades. That is also, I think, that is how I summarize. And this is our customer base all over India and all over the world. You can see all reputed brands we are catering to, and that gives you insight why we are growing at a healthy rate. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the valuable insights. Now I would like to invite Mr.